Tutorial 2. Floor design with mesh and synthetic fibers. To start the calculation, you need to insert the name of the project and the total surface area of the industrial floor in square meters. The first information the system will ask for are the main characteristics of the industrial floor. That is, the thickness of the slab, the type of subbase, which can be selected from the various types listed in the drop-down menu, and lastly, the class of concrete. Moving forward, the system will ask you to select the types of loads acting on the flooring, the evenly distributed load in kilonewtons per square meter, the linear load, such as partition walls and panels, in kilonewtons per meter. The next drop-down menu allows you to choose the type of forklift and to specify whether it has pneumatic or rigid wheel. It is also possible to select the type of truck that will transit over the flooring. Localized loads from racking by using the slider to select the kilonewtons acting on the support legs, the size, in millimeters, of the foot area. At this point, we can select the type of back-to-back, double-row racking by inserting, again in millimeters, the distance between the two adjacent rows. At this point, the system will ask us which solution we are interested in. In this case, we choose the hybrid solution consisting of synthetic fibers and steel mesh positioned in the lower part. Now we can choose the type of fiber and mesh from a list of standard steel meshes for industrial floors. Lastly, we indicate the distance in millimeters we want the mesh to be positioned from the bottom edge. By clicking Continue, the software will calculate the solution, giving you the minimum dosage for the synthetic fibers and confirming that the solution with mesh and synthetic fibers has been verified.